So I'm in the kitchen here and I'm going to try to put this fiberglass putty, which is this one, on the bumper because I messed it up on this side, and I got a tip to actually bolt something on, put the fiberglass on and then work from there. So I'm going to try and see how that goes. So I'll try to make this as smooth as I could till this area. I can't do the back yet, but most important was to get this all straight. So I tried this, I'm going to let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, take off the cover on the other side and see how that goes. Now I'm taking those knots off here and see how it looks. So as you can see, it's not straight, this centerpiece. However, that's not the most important. The most important is that this part is straight, which it seems to be. At this point I don't have a sanding device, so I can't do this part here, but I could do the back. So I put more putty on it, try to smooth this out as much as I can, and it looks pretty straight as far as I can see. So whenever I get that device, I have to sand it down more till it's all smooth. Cut this side because you can see how bad it is, and start over from here. So this is straight, which is not at the moment, but it's straight there. As you can see, the line will follow and this line will follow too. So I just have to find something to put over here and put over there and then start all over from the back. So I tried this side with tape, which isn't great. It's still soft, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dent it in a tiny bit like this. Just to get a general shape. And then I'm going to put more putty in it and see how that goes. More putty on the outside. So I have to sand that. It underneath as well. It doesn't look great, but you know. So this is how it looks, and the end of part 1. I am letting this dry for now. See how it is. If it's dry and outside as well, I can put it back on the car because this, doesn't get destroyed. And whenever I have a chance, I will fix this underneath, get it sanded out and see how that goes. So see you next time, hopefully.